Hi, this is Darlington from Darlington Academy, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys an application on how to sponsor your spouse, partner, or dependent child to Canada. And this is going to be a three-step format. Step 1, eligibility criteria. Step 2, document checklist and requirements. And step 3, filling out the forms, paying your fees, and submitting your application. Let's quickly dive in. You must be at least 18 years old and either be a Canadian citizen, a registered Indian under the Canadian Indian Act, or a permanent resident of Canada. You should be able to prove you are not receiving social assistance for reasons other than a disability. You should be able to prove you can cater for the needs or the basic needs of those you intend to sponsor. These are the important conditions to remember. For Canadian citizens living outside Canada, you must show that you plan to live in Canada when those you want to sponsor become permanent residents. For permanent residents, you can't sponsor someone if you are living outside Canada. And for previously sponsored spouses or partners, you are ineligible to sponsor your spouse or partner if you became a permanent resident less than 5 years ago. For sponsors, you are ineligible to sponsor your spouse or partner if you're still financially bound by the 3-year undertaking of a previous spouse. And also for sponsors, you are ineligible to sponsor your spouse, partner, or child if you have already applied to sponsor them and are waiting a decision on that application. And this is also super important to remember. If you are in jail, owe an immigration loan, or court-ordered alimony or child support payments, you didn't fulfill previous financial support sponsorship agreements for previous sponsored persons, you've declared bankruptcy, you received social assistance, you were convicted for attempted or you committed a crime inside or outside Canada, you may not be eligible to sponsor your spouse, partner, or child to Canada. Who exactly can you sponsor? You can sponsor your spouse or common law partner who lives with you in Canada and their dependent children. You can also sponsor your spouse, common law partner, or conjugal partner who lives overseas and their dependent children. And you can also sponsor your own dependent children. In order to understand some of these key terms and what they mean, see the description area on who you can sponsor to learn more about keywords like your spouse, your common law partner, your conjugal partner, and also your dependent children. Those key terms is going to help you understand what they mean. And finally, if you're sponsoring an adopted child or orphaned family member, or you are sponsoring other family members who are not your spouse, partner, or dependent child, their eligibility criteria is different. I'm also going to leave a link in the description area for the sponsorship package for adopted children. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the step 2 of this sponsorship application.